At Umbrella Beach. This is where we're gonna be having lunch today.
Okay.
And this beach is actually kind of tiny, but it's like sweet. Check this out. Think of the food, man?
Brought me back.
Yeah, just finished eating lunch. The food was amazing. Consisted of some chicken, some pork, a few fish that were a little questionable, and then just this like awesome looking fruit tray. And they also had yellow melon, which was like really good. I've never tried it, but it tastes just like regular one. Watermelon, that is. We're just gonna chill here for a little bit longer, and then it's gonna be on to the next destination.
Look for me, it's Booma, they can't ignore me. Had to do it for the people, say you other rappers bore me. I know you heard the story, young nigga looking for glory. I know I'm gonna make it, said mama don't worry. I'll be there in a year or two, I'm in no hurry. I run it back for my city like DeMarco Murray. So I'm never drinking till my vision gets blurry. But like a drunk driver, this beat's getting buried. Never worry about these haters, I got teeth like alligator. Only thinking about that paper, I'ma get it sooner or later. The way these kids talk, it's hard to be on good behavior. Like an angel from the sky, I am hip-hop savior. So savor the flavor and do yourself a favor. It's a cold world, man, something like a glacier. I done see some things that'll shock you like a taser. The niggas I was cool with turned out to be traitors. Never trust your neighbor, the niggas is strangers. Hard to be a real nigga cause we are in danger. But I will remain me for the remainder of my life, and I just might change your life. You can see I put my heart inside of every song I write, and if I ever fall, I'm not going down without a fight. If you thinking you gon' stop me, then you better think twice. Cause these niggas know that I'm about to take flight. Take flight, take flight, take flight. My destination's the sky, man, I'm about to take flight. Take flight, take flight, take flight. I don't even need to drive, man, I'm about to take flight. Take flight, take flight.
Yeah. My face went dark, but man, look at the view over there. Last night we didn't do too much. I mean, we got a little bit of dinner, a little bit of food. Tonight I think we might hit up a few more bars. But we're excited, man. That shit was epic. That shit was beautiful. And man, I'm just thrilled that I came all the way out here to the Philippines. Yeah. We're here walking the streets of El Nido. We're currently looking for some food. Hello! Maybe. Hello! Hello! Yeah, everybody here is extra friendly. Oh, cool, there it is, the happiness place. What is the purpose for dreaming and why? Alright, so this place is a all-vegan restaurant. Going to do the hummus falafel plate. And we actually got some like really cool seats. There's some swings. What's up, guys? What's your name? Tico from Croatia originally, but grew up in Germany. Your name?
My name is Ubal.
Ubal? Ubal. Ubal. Nice, man. Yeah, they're here with us at the Happiness Express. Made some friends here at the bar, so definitely a good time. Alright guys, we just finished up in Happiness Express. I don't know why I keep forgetting it. The food was absolutely delicious. The place was awesome. We actually met some really cool people there, so it was a good time. I told Vito, hey, if I drink that mango shake, I'm not drinking anymore. And he was like, well, what if we drink more first and then the mango shake? I was like, it's probably not gonna work that way. So we found this place that sells mango shakes. That's a bar, and they've agreed to make us some mango daiquiris. That's the main reason we're in here.
Yeah, gotta represent, you know what I'm saying? Hey. No, I mean,
He saw Puerto Rico from the beach and he was like, we gotta go.
I don't like it, just got to.
Hey, my guy. What's up, dude? Get the hell, Nido. Look at this shit. Rum, vodka, tequila, bourbon, brandy, scotch, and orange juice. Oh. We just made it back to the room. Man, I'm not drunk, but we drink a lot. El Nido, you've been great. The nightlife is awesome. It's a Sunday night. I don't think these guys believe in Monday and shit, so the party was still rolling, but we have an early day tomorrow. We're gonna end the vlog there. I'll see you guys in the morning.